Hey, it's Rick here, and I've got the Joy Factory SmartSuit Mini, and this is for the iPad Mini, and it comes in probably what I'm going to say is the most incredibly wasteful packaging that I've ever dealt with in a product. It's quite amazing, actually. It's like this really huge, oversized styrofoam that is attached with metal rivets. So probably not very eco-friendly in their packaging. So, but you know, that's not what this video is about. It's about the case. And I will tell you, the case is actually quite nice. So let's put this big behemoth of packaging away. And inside of this, you're going to find a piece of foam, and they kind of give you a little chess set here. So you can pop these out and play chess if you want. So interesting kind of addition and something different from a case manufacturer. But this case, the SmartSuit Mini, is actually going to replicate a smart cover with a back shell. And as you can see, the inside of this case is a very soft, it almost feels suede-like, but is a very, very soft microfiber. You're not going to have to worry about your iPad Mini getting scratched up inside of this. Let's go ahead and pop the Mini in this. As you can see, I've got white with it's kind of a metallic silver. Let's put the button side in first. So you're going to lay that in, and then you're going to snap each corner directly into place. This case is very easy to install as well as remove. Let's go ahead and take a look at it up close. So again, this is really nice and textured. It almost feels like a fabric, and it's more of a silvery kind of, I don't want to say sparkly, but almost like a silvery metallic in person. Hopefully you can get the idea in this video. There's some Joy Factory logo right there in the corner, and you can see what the front's going to look like. Here is our spine. And along the back side, you can see they've done a big cutout for your speakers and your lightning port, which will ensure compatibility with pretty much whatever you've got. So that is a very nice thought there. And here is the back. There's your camera cutout, looks perfectly fine, and your cutout for your volume as well as your rocker switch. It is not recessed, so it's very easy to press and get to. And here's what it looks like along the top side. You can see your power, your sleep awake, your microphone, and your headphone jack. It should work with most headphones, although if you've got a very large oversized connector for maybe DJ headphones, you might run into some trouble there. And then this does, as I mentioned, utilize the sleep awake, and it works perfectly fine. So when you open it up, it's going to awaken your device, and when you close it, it puts it to sleep. Now, it moves around a little bit, but I cannot seem to engage the sleep awake. So there doesn't seem to be a problem with this moving around and waking up your device. Now, when I flip this around to the back side, you can see that is what it's going to look like in book mode. It's pretty thin, slim, and lightweight, and it doesn't put your device to sleep when you kind of move this around behind it, so it works out just fine. It's a borderless design, so this should play very well with screen protectors. No issues there. And you can see right along the spine, it is exposed there because that's the nature of this case. You need to open up this front flap. Now, you can fold this up like a smart cover, and you get a couple of stand options here. Your first is going to be your straight up and down stand, and this is what that's going to look like. And then you also get your typing angle, and let's go ahead and put it into that stand mode. And that's what that is going to look like. If there's only one thing that I would say I would have liked to have seen is some additional magnets in this smart cover so that when you roll this up, it kind of stays in its desired place. There is no real magnet here like Apple's smart cover to keep this kind of in place. So you're relying upon it hinging in there and staying kind of securely wedged in there, which really doesn't create a problem. I haven't had it fall out or anything like that. But it's definitely kind of something that would have improved, I think, the design of this case. But overall, I am very impressed with the SmartSuit Mini by Joy Factory. I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5. You know, if you're looking for something that provides smart cover functionality in a slim design while adding a great level of protection for the back of your Mini, you should check it out. It is the Joy Factory SmartSuit Mini. It gets my 4.5 out of 5. If you guys have questions, comments, or feedback, as always, please feel free to let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you next time. Take care, everybody, and have fun.